The world of data is gigantic and complex. But don't worry, we will make it simple for you. In this digital era, it is inevitable but to start using the data. If you have to use the data, you will have to understand analytics. If you have to become an analytics expert, you have to understand where are you applying it, in what business context. What does it do for you? Exponential learning, exponential earning. Investing time, energy, effort in business analytics program will lead to career growth and your personal advancement. This business analytics program has unique benefits in terms of learning the fundamentals of analytics, the fundamentals of business, and how do you apply the learnings in a real life situation.
Hello, I'm Sachin Kumar, a senior data scientist and a data science and AI career coach, and I shall be your guide and mentor throughout this powerful course on MS Excel for data science and data analysis. So once you complete this comprehensive and powerful course on MS Excel for data science and data analysis part, you will master the concepts of why to learn MS Excel for data science and AI, advantages and limitations of using the MS Excel part. Then we will have a detailed tour to MS Excel, and we will move from basic to the advanced levels in the action part, including use of some advanced formulas for data science and data analysis purpose. Then we will see the data visualizations in MS Excel, how to use the MS Excel as an ETL tool, which is extraction, transformation, loading part, using Power Query. Also, we will see how to data analysis, how to do the data analysis and EDA part, which is known as expertise data analysis, in detail in MS Excel. Then how to build any model or do any data modeling and build your linear regressions in the MS Excel. So with that intention, we'll start this course.
This course is designed for someone who may or may not have experience with data analysis but is looking to not only learn Power BI but take that to the very next level by working on a real world use case. I am Dipesh Vashisht and I am a Microsoft certified BI consultant having a lot of experience in analytics, business intelligence, data warehousing and cloud-based technologies. As there are so many things which Power BI provides at one single place, it might get a bit confusing and difficult to know how and where to start with. So we will be starting by integrating our data from multiple data sources and then doing a lot of transformations to prepare and clean our data and make it ready for reporting. Once all the data exploration is done, we'll be working on making our report visually appealing and designing it in such a way that we can tell a story from our data. So we'll be using multiple AI based visuals as well in Power BI to do some advanced analysis on our data and design and develop a report which not only help you get the right data and insights but also helps you in taking right actions out of it.
Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So the course which is Python for everyone, beginners level, ये कोर्स आपका कवर करता है पाइथन पे पूरी नॉलेज, जो भी बेसिक लेवल ऑफ नॉलेज जो भी रिक्वायर होती है आपको किसी भी फील्ड में जाने के लिए. यू टेक इट योर डेटा साइंस, मशीन लर्निंग, एआई, डीप लर्निंग, वेब डेव, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, डेवऑप्स, एनीथिंग. And in this particular course आपको इसमें कुछ questions भी मिलेंगे that you can practice in after you had completed up that particular module, so that आपको समझ में भी आए कि how much logic you are able to build और how much you had got in that particular topic, और क्या आपको इस particular topic को फिर से पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है कि नहीं है, आप अपने आप खुद से प्रोग्राम्स लिख पा रहे हो कि नहीं. बिकॉज ये एक मेजर प्रॉब्लम आती है कि हम लोगों में कि हम लोग खुद के प्रोग्राम नहीं लिख पाते. राइट, अगर हमने कोई प्रोग्राम वेबसाइट पे वॉच आउट कर लें, देख लें, तो उसको लिखना बहुत आसान हो जाता है हमारे लिए, बट खुद लॉजिक को बिल्ड करना ये हमारे लिए डिफिकल्ट होता है. सो ये कंप्लीट कोर्स आपको आपका लॉजिक बिल्ड करने में भी हेल्प करेगा, किस तरीके से आप लॉजिक को बिल्ड करके अपने खुद के प्रोग्राम्स वगैरह लिख सकते हो और अपने खुद के प्रोजेक्ट्स को डेवलप कर सकते हो.